From Level Up Garage tong Honda Jazz 1.3 manual transmission. Bale sa client ni Bro Kevin, itotono natin to. Our final output for the Jazz GE manual 1.3, 97 wheel horsepower yung stock, so mataas siya para sa stock na naka stock intake, then full exhaust, tapos enters the limitless 1.75 yung pipings, and then yung after ng tune nakuha natin 104 wheel horsepower, tapos sa torque naman 92 yung stock, and then 97 yung final natin after tune.